This is the KARCHER NT271 Professional Vacuum Cleaner, designed for easy pickup of wet or dry dirt. This simple machine has 27 litres capacity and a single vacuum motor. The NT27 features robust components like the on-off switch, carry handle, and metal clips. Access to the large area paper filter for dry use is very easy, and the machine also comes with a foam filter element for use when picking up liquids. There's a large cable hook on the back of the machine and convenient storage for tools and suction tubes. The machine's floor tool comes with brushes for dry use and squeegees for wet pickups. There's also a carpet and hard floor tool to enable the machine to be used like a normal tub vac for regular floor vacuuming jobs. The machine is equally at home picking up dry or wet dirt, or even spillages and small quantities of flood water. The NT271 from KARCHER, a simple, versatile and great value piece of kit.